Hello everyone. So today we are going to decode HTTP with the help of Wireshark. So today we are referencing the James F. Kursey book and with Cat W. Rose. So it is the 8th edition. So we can refer this book for to understand the HTTP. So before getting this all of this PDF of Jim Kursey PDF, we would just understand the what is HTTP and why we are using HTTP and why we are using Wireshark with the help of HTTP. So hello everyone. So we need something introduction for Wireshark. So why we use Wireshark for HTTP? See, simple it is. Wireshark is a platform which is been used to analyze some protocols. HTTP is one of the protocols, and it can be helpful to analyze HTTP with the help of Wireshark. We can troubleshoot the performance issues related to the HTTP protocols, and also we can just decode the security and privacy analysis and examine the HTTP traffic, and also we can just make some important changes in the packets, and also we can analyze the excess data and breaches malicious activities can be stopped using this. So capturing the HTTP traffic with Wireshark. See, it is very easy to capture the packets from the internet of the HTTP. We just need to search anything on we just need to search something on the internet, and then it will generate lots of protocols. So among of them, we are going to identify only the HTTP. So we are going to apply filter over there. So we would only get the required protocols. Suppose I am going to write HTTP in the filter, so I am getting the HTTP filter. So it is very easy to get the packets from the internet. So analyzing HTTP packets, see, I have taken some screenshot from my system. So we can just see this. We can see this screenshot related to HTTP. As previously I just speak about that HTTP protocols, HTTP packets are being generated from the internet and being shown in the Wireshark. So we can just see the IP address and ports and packets lands in them. Also, we can refer the URL and caching directives and user agents. Packet details are shown in them. We can just increase the payload and examine the payloads. So filtering and searching. It is easy to take out some IP address for required purpose, and also we can just give some. We can just take out some required HTTP packets within using the URL. Also, custom display filter is there. We can just write HTTP in the filters, and we will get that. We will get the all the HTTP packets. So using Wireshark for troubleshooting HTTP issues, yes, of course. For identifying the server-side error, we used Wireshark. Wireshark is a basically platform which help us to analyze, examine the most moved HTTP, and we can just take out the mainly errors, and we can resolve the errors. One of the errors is shown over here is 404, which we have seen, which we have all of us seen this 404 not found something on the browser. And also we can inspect the HTTP redirects for incorrect URL redirection or failed authentication. We can monitor the performance metrics of the system, DNS lookup and round trip. So tips for the best practices for using Wireshark with HTTP. First is to capture the duration short. Of course, if we require to take out the something required packets, then we need to stop at that point. No need to generate lots of packet because they are been only taking the memory and nothing else they going to work for us. Our job is to take out the required packets and analyze them and examine them, and to found and to take out the output from this from the required packets, and also save and export capture is there. So Wireshark have some interface which help us to save the packets. So for the future requirement, we can refer with that packets. So let us see the Wireshark. So we need to first open the Wireshark. Uh, I'm writing here Wireshark. So Wireshark will open. Yes, we are at Wireshark. So see, I'm using charger uh, from now. I'm using the charger now. So it is showing some traffic out there. I'm using Wi-Fi. So I'm using Wi-Fi over there. So it is showing the traffic on the Wi-Fi. So we will get in the Wi-Fi. So as you can see, there are various packets are being generated over there. They are of different protocols. TCP is there and DNS and UDP. So we need to only filter out the HTTP. Uh, HTTP only. So as you can see, there is no HTTP packet because I haven't searched anything on the internet till now. But now I'm going to search something. So first we are going to take the HTTP GET response interaction. So we have started the browser. We are at the browser and we have already started the Wireshark and we have wait for some time, but I haven't seen any packets over being generated in my Wireshark. So now we are going to take this link and we are now going to work over this link and so I'm only taking this link to the new tab. So I hope some packet would be generated over there. Yes, some packets are generated in the Wireshark as we can see. So as we can see, so now we are going to analyze some of this. So you can see that we can see that there are various things are written over there. So a version is written over there, HTTP 1.1. We are using HTTP 1.1. So response version is HTTP 1.1. Status code is 200, which has been shown over there. So we can also see that this is a source file from where the file is coming and destination is written over there. So date is written that, and also this is the one of the ASCII codes we have discussed in the earlier getting started lab. And of course last modified I haven't modified yet, but you can see we can see this and now we have the content length and keep alive and also the full URL request URI, which is the same as the browser over there. Yes, this is the same. Now we can also see this same type of text over there in the Wireshark. This is in written in this. So we are, I think we are have done with this first of this. Now we are moving towards the second one, which is the HTTP conditional GET response interaction. So first we need to stop our Wireshark. So we have stopped this, and now firstly close this one. Yes. So we need to start up the Wireshark again. Starting the Wireshark again. We are with no HTTP packet till now, but we would generate some packets as soon as we open this link. So we have generated some HTTP packet. So we can see this. It is a normally text type HTML file. Nothing design and nothing image and pictures are over there. Just HTML file. As the extension shows, text is written and last modified date is written over there. 1.1 same as the other which we have seen earlier. Text is simply changed over there, and ASCII code is remains same here, which is sorry, which is changed. And now we see the steps. So we have done with this, and now we should move to retrieving log document. So before moving to the Wireshark again, we need to discuss some things over there. Retrieving log document. As we all know, the HTTP is only a protocol which take out the data from the server or the internet, but HTTP needs some protocol and a transport bridge which take out the long document with it to deliver with the local buffer or the local system. So HTTP uses TCP transport protocol, transmission control protocol, to deliver some data of long document, and we will see this. And firstly, we need to stop this and start this again before moving to this. We should close this one. So sorry, continue without saving. So we need to start this one. Okay, we are with the again the HTML file. As we can see, it would be shown there. Okay, again the same time of things. Status code is still the same 200, and response phrase is okay. And this is a kind of get request. Request method is get over here, and line base have been changed. Line base tags has been changed because we are with various text. It doesn't mean for us because we are dealing with something else. As request URI suggests that this is the same with the this URI URL. So we are with the STD packets, and let us see this. And where is chart sequence number is over there is written. Request method, as I told you, this request method is get, and request URI is ncsi.tags, and request version is HTTP 1.1, which can be seen here from 1.1 is written over there. Yes, of course. Status code description is okay, response phrase is okay, and status code is 200. Security level is chat, and group is sequence. So uh, various things are over there written, and I think we have come across to all of these things. Now we should move to the another one. So we have covered the long document, and also we have discussed with this. So HTTP document with embedded object. So we need to before we need to get with this, we need to firstly stop our Wireshark. So we are closing this, and again we are starting with this. Continue without saving. So we are with the browser, and we have search. So now, uh, why it is not generating browser? So yes, we have got the HTTP packet now. Uh, we have got the HTTP packet from this. As it you can see this, it is HTML file with some images, and image extension is JPG and PNG. Okay, so we have server, and the server version is written over there. So we can see this, and small cover JPG. So user agent, I forgot to discuss about user agent because I am using over the age, so version is written over there. If someone is using Safari, so version would be this, and if someone uses Chrome, this version would be written over there. So if someone is using another operating system of Apple, so this would be for them. And firstly, I've just stopped this to not generate too many HTTP packets. One of the best tips and practices of this to capture the required. Okay, and so we can see this Pearson PNG, and there are very lots of information, but we have discussed about all of them, so we are not going to discuss again the same. And refer this file has been referred from which link. So it has been shown here. The URL is the refer of in the Bhasha. So now we are going to discuss about the fifth one, which is the last, HTTP authentication. Yes, of course. Before opening the version, we need to discuss about this more. See, if we want to write anything on the browser, such as card details and anything login credentials, so it has been saved in the data in the server, but before moving to the server, it has been encoded into 64 base 64. We will discuss this, but before discussing, we need to see that how it has been written. So we are going to open this. Yes, it is asking for my username. So I am writing my name in username, and in password I am writing something. So I have written something, and now I'm going to with this. Yes, we have with the something. So we can see there are some packets generated. We need to stop firstly them, then we will discuss about them. So as you can see, lab protected STD page or page file number 5. So we can see host, it was the same, the URL, and connection is alive over there. Authorization is new thing for us. So credentials, the information I have written over there is been written in the credential. So it is the same, this thing, username and the password is the same here over there. It is encoded in base 64. So we will discuss this that how it is get in this form, and it is the same thing we have discussed all this. So firstly we need to so okay, one thing more. When during login I just enter that I am the student for this. So why should student, students only, it is showing over there. So we need to discuss this how this been encoded in this one. So before discussing, we need to copy this, copy the value, and we are going to come again to the website, and as we can see, uh, this is written over there, base 64 decoder encoder. So we need to just copy this, paste this one, and we can see this that how we have the same thing. The login conditions is the same with this, so we can decode this. So this and this is the same thing, but it is been decoded in this one, and it sorry, it is encoded in this one, and we have decoded this one. So we can see this username is this, and colon is there to make distinguish between them, and my password is this, and it is the same thing. Yes. So I think we have came across to the thing which is in the course file. So this is a very useful file. Everybody refer this for understanding of the Wireshark. So thank you.